Pinagtitripan niya yung mga pamangkin niya.
Okay, bring out the best in you. Okay, let's do this matchup. Pakita natin ating galing. Okay, galing lang, alright? Okay, our official Benji and J-Mac helping us out for game number 3. Okay, first quarter, 5 minutes, automatic barangayan.
Sinong hindi kompleto ng jersey? Si? Warren wala kang jersey. Short mo. Minus kayo, minus 5.
Minus kayo, magma-minus kayo.
Oh.
Minus na yan.
Rep, technical for not complete uniform, okay?
Sino yung naka-score?
Si Andre.
Dinosaur, 7 na. Boy, 7 na.
7 na?
Plus 2, plus 5. Plus 5.
Saan?
Not complete uniform.
Saan yung plus 5?
Si Dinosaur.
Nilalagay ko na lang kay DJ na.
Okay, Warren setting up the team. Pass to Neil. Neil, naghanap ng papasahan. Back to Warren for 3. Basket is good.
Si Warren yun. Sino yun? Yung 23? Si Bay? 23 ba yan? Si Warren?
Okay, here comes Ambre to Kevin. The baseline. To BJ. Here comes Winston. Norbert. Jump. Pinasa kay Winston sa ilalim. Wala. Okay. Na-rebound ni Biam to Jay Warren. Jay Warren to Neil. Neil jump shot. Supply. Okay, na-rebound ng Black. Norbert. Okay, nice steal ng White. Here comes White. Neil Takid. Okay, Jay Warren for 2. Three minutes and 10 seconds.
Bigyan mo yung bigyan mo yung...
Okay. A white ball.
Shot lock. Hindi, yung lang, yung cable. Nagagalaw yung cable. I-file mo lang. Yan.
Norbert for 2. Wala. Natapik ng Black. Okay. 14-second shot clock. Ambre for 3. Here comes. Okay. Black pa rin ang bola. PJ sa ilalim. Okay, it's a lane violation. 2 minutes, 12 seconds. Okay, Neil nagdadala ng bola. Back to Warren. Jay for 2. Yes! 2 points by Jay Warren. Duminikit na. Clinic. 9-7. What a drop ni Kevin. Again. Masyadong malalim si BJ. Okay, Warren to Biam sa gitna. Wala. Ang taas ng rebound. Kevin. next week, baka dito tayo ulit maglalaro. Sa mga team captains, please pass the message to your teammates.
That's
Eh,
okay.
convenient.
Okay lang yun. Kasi kung ito ay may ano naman, dililipat na naman tayo.
52 seconds. 11 seconds shot clock. Rodel for 3. Oh, Iwapa and Neil for rebound. Last 2. Okay, 2 points by Neil. Okay, all na.
Kasi baka mamaya may
Hindi, i-contract natin.
Turnaround shot by Pandilio.
Boy, remind mo lang na kaya may points. Kasi yun, in-announce natin yun.
Okay, 18 seconds.
Tsaka ano, yan naman sila. Keep going, keep going!
Keep going. Okay, wala tayong shot clock. 8 seconds.
Announce mo rin yung mga sponsor ko rin. Kasi si Taco yung sponsor yan.
Oh, makikita doon. Ay,
4 and 1. Okay, there's a foul. Number 47.
42?
47 ng Dino.
Sino yung 47, boy?
Okay, first shot ni
Sino
Neil.
yung 47?
Pumasok, boy.
Pasok.
47. Sino yung 47? Sino yung 47? Si Kevin.
Second shot. Okay, wala nang time.
Pumasok pareho?
Isa lang ang pumasok. 10-11. White ball for next set of first quarter.
next pareho. Sige, ganun.
Okay, second string. Eric to Dennis. Dennis to Takoy. Natapig ang bola. Here comes Eugene. Eugene pass to Edwin. Nag-attempt ng 3. Wala Pinasa. Okay, pinasa kay Eugene. Eugene to Neil. Okay, libre sa 3. Niluwa. Alright, natapik ng White. Oh, natapik. Si Jason all the way. Let's see. Sablay. Sayang naman. Here comes PJ. Pinasa kay Neil. Jump. Wala. Dennis got the rebound. Okay, 10-11 in favor of Clinic. Jerome sa ilalim. And 1.
Change favor na, boy.
Nagilaman ng Clinic ng isa. Let's see kung pupuntos ni Jerome. Ang bonus shot.
Post pala. May post pala.
Okay, last one good. Fifteen-second shot clock. Eugene sa baseline. Na-rebound ni Takoy ang bola.
Shot clock.
Here comes Jason. Pass to Jerome sa ilalim. Eric. Balik to Jerome. Sayang. PJ. Okay, Edwin. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Bautista for 3.
Dapat hindi yan kasali.
Nagpo-protesta ang bench ng White. Here comes Benji. Dennis. Okay, black team. Eugene for 2. Yes. Okay, 16-13. Napakaganda ng laban. Here comes White. Last 2 minutes. Okay, last 2 minutes for this quarter. Eric sa base. Nakita si Dennis. Okay, wala. Na-rebound ni Neil ang bola. Ito na si PJ of Kapampangan Dinosaur. Oh, what a ball handler. Eugene, nabitawan ng bola. Natapik ng White. 8 seconds shot clock.
Bakit nireset?
Takoy, rebound the ball. O sa ilalim, napasaan si Jerome to Jason.
Nakakatawa yung bet. NBA ba? NBA.
Edwin, black by Jerome. Jerome na rebound ng bola. Okay. Hinay ba? Hinay daw. Hinay ra. Okay, na-steal ang bola. Here comes Edwin all the way. Let's see. Okay, 2 shot. 38 seconds. 18-13. Okay, running time, 30 seconds and 16-second shot clock. Eric, naghahanap ng papasahan. All the way. Pinasa kay Takoy. Takoy for 3. Sayang. Oh, there's a foul.
Wala.
Okay, side. Running time. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Jason for 3. Yes! Jason Dingley, 3 points.
End of the first quarter.
Okay, that's the end of our first quarter. Lamang lang ng dalawa ang Dinosaurs. Who's will rep? Black ball. Okay, this is our start of the second period.
Shot clock.
Kevin. Okay, here it comes by Warren. Oh, nice steal ni Winston. Pero nabalik sa White ang bola. Neil, nahihintay sa ilalim. Traveling. Violation by the White team. Okay lang daw yan. Abre turnaround shot. Wala. Winston got the rebound. Naipit sa ilalim. And there's a foul. Okay, 2 shots. Stop the clock. 17 is beyond. Okay, first attempt ni Kamote. Pasok.
Sok ang kamote.
Kaya kamote pangalan nito ni Winston.
Okay, second shot. Wala. Here comes the White team. Neil, nagdadala ng bola. Oops. There's a foul. Black. 2 shots. Stop the clock.
Kevin.
Okay, first shoot. Good. Second one supply, pero na-rebound ni rin ang bola. And hindi na nang pumasok.
Ayusin yung...
Okay, Black number 1.
Ano yun? Pang-ilan na yun? Pangatlo, no?
Sino? Dalawa yung ano? Si Barrientos?
Yeah, si Barrientos. Third team foul na yan. Ito na.
13 pa.
Okay, pasok. That's the third team foul of Dinosaur. Second one. Okay, na supply. Ambre sa ilalim. 21-18. Alright. Okay, here comes Black. Nice steal ni Warren. Ang galing ng pagka-steal. Okay, here comes Neil Tigin. Nag-drive sa gitna. Nice steal din. Ang gagaling tumakbo ng mga to. Norbert for 2. 23-18. Okay, 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Here comes White team. Neil, jump for 3. Yes. Tigin, 3 points. Ambre for 3. Wala. Okay, here comes Jay Warren. Nice steal ng bola. Norbert to Kevin. Nag-iisa sa ilalim. Okay, this is a running game. Okay, 5-4 ang Dinosaur. Rodel. What a shot by Rodel.
Hirap ng nigo.
Gutom ka na. Abonado ka.
Okay, here comes Black. Kevin for 2. Okay, yeah, na-rebounding ng Black. Rodel. Neil again, drive in the middle. Wala. Another one. Ambre Vandillo all the way. Na-rebound ng bola. Alright, same ball.
That's it.
Okay, Winston or Kamote. Cut sa gitna, 2 points. 1 minute, 17 seconds, 18 seconds shot clock.
Brought to you by Whoopi.
Biam. Okay. Napakasimple ng tira. Dalawa lang ang lamang. 55 seconds. Ang layo ng 3 ni Winston. Alright, 44 seconds running time. Here comes the clinic. Warren fake pass, pero nakita si Rodel sa ilalim. But nandun si Winston for the defense. 23 second shot clock. Warren, balik to Rodel. Alright. Running time 14 seconds. Oh, pinasa kay Ambre. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's the first set of second quarter.
White.
Okay, white ball for the second part of the second quarter.
Yes!
Second quarter pa to eh, no?
Yeah, second up. Let's go!
Uling!
Gen 24, inbound the ball. Eric, nice steal. Okay, black ball.
Talo ka pa.
Talo pa ako.
Panalo kami, pre. Panalo.
Hindi na ako lagi natalo kayo. Ay, putya naman na.
Relax ka lang, kalmahan mo lang. Tapos buwasan mo yung kape ah.
Again, Gen 24 nagdadala ng bola. Up, there's a foul. Offensive foul by number 12. That's Eric Renula. First team foul of Clinic.
Dalawa lang.
PJ to Bautista, back to PJ. Eugene sa gitna. Edwin for 3. Okay, naribaw niya rin ang bola. This time sa middle. 29-25. Here comes the fourth general of the clinic. Jong to Dennis. Dennis nakita si Jerome sa ilalim. Eric, fake. Jong for 3. Sayang.
Balik.
Okay, balik lang.
Pwede na, ito na yung mga namin eh.
Okay, next chance ng black team. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Eugene. Sige lang. Okay, makukuha mo rin yan. 32-25. Gen 24 nagdadala ng bola.
6 seconds.
5 second shot clock. 4. Okay, here comes the black team. Nalibaw ni Eugene. Gerald to Neil to Edwin. Okay, this time sa side. Jerome. Okay.
Time out, bay. Uy.
Time out kayo. Time out kayo first up. Time out first up. Dalawa.
Edwin
Stop time
to Gerald.
Stop time.
Here comes post by Eugene. Umikot ang bola. Okay, 10 second shot clock. Alright, rebound by White. Gen 24. Okay, Eric sa side. Oh! What a deep by Neil Kabuhan. Okay, 10 second shot clock. Nice steal.
Joy, time out.
Kayo?
Yung kalaban namin ba? Yung number ano? Galing short mo? Number 30.
Ay, oo. Thank you. Yeah, plus 5 din kayo. Oh, yeah. Bawasan mo na lang. Mahirapan mo pa ako. Mas madali magdagdag.
Ano sa saglit?
3-0.
Okay, 2 shot. 1 second announcement. Plus 5 team yung clinic. Alright, that's it. Patuloy mo na natin yung tira ni John. Okay, yung short ni Neil Kabuhat is wrong. So, we need to add an additional 5. Alright?
Isa lang yun.
Sino? Iba yung kulay ng sapat. 80s NBA.
Okay, 53 seconds.
Score 36.
32. Last 36 seconds. Jen. Oh, nice steal ng bola. Fast break to Edwin. Hinabol ni Takoy. Wala. Alright. Karambola. Ang galing ng depensa. 19 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. Gen 24, 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, up.
Ano ba yun? Per team ba yun o per player? Per player yun eh. Per team. Abay.
Parehas lang naman, tabla lang yan. Lima lang.
Okay, 36, 32.
Sabi mo, parehas na nagka-plus 5 yan.
Okay, nasa third quarter na tayo.
Ay, half time pa pala eh, no? Sige, kain tayo. Half time pala.
Brought to you by...
Okay, we'd like to thank our sponsor for tonight, Leading, Potato Corner, Craigburn.
Nandito rin ako ah.
Okay, Moving Tools. Kung gusto nyo magpa-service sa mga sasakyan nyo, Moving Tools will come to you.
Mahihirapan ka ng mamayan. Ang talyar na mahihirapan ng mamayan.
Palawan na kayo kamulihok. Ilhan kayo.
And if you like to buy Asian cuisine, available ang tindahan ni Kaling Nene.
Andito.
Mag-spray ka na. Ha? Spray ka na. Kulang pa yung balot mo sa paa mo eh. Dagdagan mo pa.
Again, next week, dito tayo maglalaro ulit habang school holiday.
Let's go.
Alright.
Okay, let's back to the ball game. Let's start our third quarter.
Third, we start white, but this is the jump ball.
Ha?
Music mo ba na yung music mo?
Okay, putik ba? Putik. Warren, 4-3.
Okay, here it comes.
Black team, Andre. Hindi ka pa, sumablay. 38-32.
Parehas kasi nagka-plus 5 pre.
Hindi nga. 37, 31 lang.
Sa buhay mo dyan, basta majority.
Warren Biam. Yes! Ang galing ng tira ni Biam.
Sigat mo na lang.
Continue. 23 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Okay, Kevin, sayang. Okay, here comes White. Alright, there's a foul. Call, same ball.
Ito pre. Hindi natin pwede buwan.
Hindi, bawasan mo tigisa lang naman. Tigisa lang sila.
38-34, ha?
37. 37, 33 lang.
Oh!
Isa lang, bawasan mo lang tigisa. Kasi magugulo yung akin dito.
Ang taas daw ng pasa.
4 points lang, 4 points.
Okay, 4 points, 37-33. Jay Warren, 4-3. Okay, BJ got the ball. Norbert tumatakbo. And here comes Kevin. Up, coming time out. There's an injury.
Bay, butang siya sa weak side.
Pasok, Brad.
Wala ang bola dito
Stop
sa
that, ha?
Christian. Sige, pakita. Wala siya, bola ba?
Okay, Neil. For 2. Dalawa na lang ang damang. Laging tigit ang laban. Sayang. Winston, BJ, Pangkaan. There's a foul. Jason.
Nag-foul, nilagyan mo na ba rito?
2 shots by BJ. Okay, first attempt.
Red, deep hit, deep hit.
Deep Heat, sponsor of BJ.
Wait, louder.
Yan. Okay, second attempt. Yes, basket is good. That is over 38-35. Here comes Jason. Jason agad ng papasahan. Neil to the rescue. 1 and 2 to Neil. Up! Jumps! Sam. Up. Okay. There's a foul.
Ano, ilagay mo na yung foul dito?
Dinosaur na.
Oo, dinosaur.
First team foul.
Hindi ba siya pwede mag-slideshow? Isa.
Wala na score. 39.
Okay, 57 seconds.
37-38.
37-38. Isa na lang ang lamang. Panilio, pass through. Okay, turnover by Black. 43 seconds.
37 seconds. 35.
15 seconds shot clock. Sayang. Okay, stop clock. There's 37 Black. 4-7. Kevin Evangelista.
Kevin had third personal foul.
Kevin, third personal foul. 2 team fouls. Ano sa taas? Okay, 26 seconds. Oh, 38. Neil Takin. Oh, okay. Basket is good. Change paper. Lamang na ang clinic. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds, Kevin. Alright. That's the first 5 minutes. Ganda ng laban.
Ganda talaga dapat pagka malalakas yung mga naglalaro.
Pag ganito, masarap na lang manood.
Sino na lamang?
Wala nag-aalala tayo.
Okay, lamang na ang clinic. Lamang na ang clinic ng dalawa. Here comes Dinosaur, Edwin 4-3. No, Eugene got the rebound. Okay, here comes Eric. Neil Tekin. Sayang. Rebound ni Edwin Ecaldre. Gerald for 3 points. Wow! Okay, isa lang ang labang. Dikitan lang ang laban.
Lugi tayo sa isang ngayon, naka 6 points na siya. Ilang points na. Dapat meron din tayo. Ilan ba ngayon? 8 points?
Score ba? Score. Walang score.
Yan lang.
Okay, what a block by Jerome. Good D by the clinic. Okay, 16-second shot clock. Jerome for 2. Okay, PJ. Gerald sa kabila naman.
Shooter left.
Okay, Gerald got a rebound. Oh, wala pa.
Check left.
Chong for 2. Okay, up. Tatlo na ang lamang. 10-second shot clock. Eugene, naghahanap ng papasan. There's a foul. 80. Foul. 14-second shot clock. Edwin Alcadre. 4, 3, 2, 1. Neil Tekin. Okay, there's no foul. There's no count. 24. Timeout ref.
Time out. Third quarter, last half.
Okay, this is the half of third quarter. Okay, lamang na ang clinic ng tato.
Pumasok ba yun?
Wired ka, wired. Wala naman nag-uusap. Dapat pala doon ako nagpunta. Ayun.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Penalty na ba?
Wala pa. 2 fouls lang, 2 team fouls.
Okay, wala pa 2 team fouls of Dinosaur.
Yeah. You're looking for dinosaur, huh? Okay.
Tekin, 3 points. Second shot clock. Okay, down to 10. Ito na ang depensa ng White. Jerome all the way to Jong for 2. Sayang. Number 6. Pushing foul. Okay, stop the clock.
Ano
Ano yung giatay?
Bayan na daw, giyatay.
Okay, Chong first attempt. 47-41.
Bayan na daw yung giyatay, boys. Bigyan mo daw kami subtitle.
Subtitle ba?
Anong giyatay?
Okay, second attempt, good. 47-41. Okay, Eugene sa ilalim. Ang depensa ng White. There's a foul.
28. Foul today.
Dennis daw.
Okay, first team foul ng Clinic.
Tax, isa pa tax.
Okay, first attempt, Eugene. Score 42-48. Down to 1 minute and 4 seconds. Second attempt, yep. Okay, last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Dennis, sa sideline. Nakita si Jerome. Jerome, depensa by Dirk. Eric. Cut sa gitna. Here comes Strong. Sayang. Blacking foul. 66. That's the fourth team foul. Oh, iluwa pa.
Sabang sablay.
Giyatay na naman.
Okay, second attempt. 42 seconds. Here it comes. Dinosaur. All right. All right. Second team foul, Clinic.
Third man yan, boy. Second sila kanina. Third man.
Right, warning, White, ha? Disregarding the referee decision.
I give first warning. Let's respect the call. I repeat your first attempt. 49-44.
Pumasok ba?
Pasok. Okay, second attempt. Rebound by Eric. 38 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. Dennis to Neil. Okay, pass to John. Neil jump. Sam. Okay, Dennis nakuha ang bola. And there's a foul. .22 hand check. Okay, penalty.
Giyatay.
Ito maganda na. Penalty na.
Okay, first attempt.
Pwede na to. Gamitin na yung mga tao rin.
14 seconds na lang natitira sa third quarter.
Maganda na to.
Second one, na-rebound ni Eric.
Oras!
Okay, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wala. Hahanap ka pa eh.
Okay, that's the end
Binanggaan niya
of our third quarter.
14 na. 44.
Okay, fourth quarter na tayo. Nakahabol na at nakalamang pa.
Paano yan? Dalawa yung walang shorts nila.
Team lang yun, team.
Team lang?
Yes.
Bakit? Akala ko 5.
Ay, para kung 5. Hindi 25 na lamang.
No, per player ba?
Dalawa yun eh.
Team,
Dalawa
team.
hindi nag-shorts.
Team.
Sa team daw, isa lang na sa
Team technical.
Ano yung score natin?
Hindi, kung lahat kami wala yung uniform.
Huwag na kayo maglaro, huwag na tayo magpalaro. Wala kayong ano. Di mo ako ng ano, defense. Or win.
Dennis.
Uy, wala kayong win, ganun.
Oy, win daw, win. Win. Nagreklamo yung committee. Wala daw ganun. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win. Ano na ha? Tapos hindi mo ba i-push yan?
Okay, let's start the fourth quarter. Okay, alam niyo naman, fourth quarter natin. Stop the clock. All the way. White ball.
White ball.
Then black ball. Yeah, defense white.
Black ball pala, black ball.
Okay, game.
Score 44-49.
Relax ka lang, pre. Aabutin kayo dun.
All right, Kevin. In one.
Sino yung number 1 na yun? Dalawa yung 1.
Si
Jerome. Okay. First personal. $49.45.
Pakitechnical nga itong...
Okay, second attempt. Tatlo na lang ang laman. Napakaganda ng laban. Okay, Biam sa kabila na naman. This time, nakuha ni Jerome ang bola. Cut by Biam. Here comes the black. Okay, rebound by Jerome. Pass to Takoy. Gen 24. They got it. And no count.
Two free throw.
Number 1. Okay, foul. Okay, Chong, naghahanap ng papasahan. Biam. Okay. Yep. What a defense by the Dinosaurs. $49-46. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng clinic. Here comes Kevin. To Neil Kabuhat. Back to Kevin.
Kasi ibig sabihin, nagawa yung nangyayari dito.
O, reset mo. Para sumaya ka lalo.
Neil for 3. Oy!
Magugulang talaga pagka matatanda eh, no?
Number 18, White. Second personal foul. A second team foul.
Yung oras.
Okay, Kevin, sige na. Naghahanap ng papasahan to Norbert. Panilio, 6 seconds, shot clock. Tinira ni Norbert. Okay, out of bounds.
Oo nga, score kayo para ganun.
Score daw tayo, sabi ng bench ng Kapampangan Dragons. Dinosaurs. Sorry. BJ for 2.
Ayaw!
Here comes Neil. Layup. Basket is good. Score na 51-46.
Sub rep ha. Sige, sub.
Norbert for 2. Rebound. Okay, fast break kay Neil. Panlilio versus Neil. Sayang. 1.
Ilan pa yung ano namin? Timeout? Dalawa pa.
In.
Okay, substitution. Pasok lang. Okay, for this, meron pa kayong tig-dalawang timeouts.
Dalawa pa, bay.
Dua ba? Bye.
Jatay.
Okay, Neil, first attempt.
Kaya, anak.
Lamang ang clinic, 51-46. Okay, second attempt. 52-46. Kamote for 3. Pasok.
Oras.
Okay, Gen 24. Fake. Wow. Ito na ang Dinosaurs. BJ sa ilalim. Up. Jump ball. White ball. Oh, Biam, nakita sa ilalim. Dinubog ba eh? Dinubog.
Sab. Sab, rep.
Kevin, fourth personal foul.
Okay, that's the fourth personal foul of Kevin.
Kevin.
Ano ba number mo? 1.
Technical.
Okay, Biam. First attempt. Good. Forma pa lang. Pasok na. Kalmang-kalma.
Trisa! Bilang isa! Ka shooter!
15-second shot clock. There's a foul. All right. Up again. There's a foul. 17. Inubos na yung foul ni Biam. Fourth personal, fourth team foul. Okay, penalty rep.
Wala, ganyan na. Penalty na siya lagi.
Okay, that's the 15 fouls of clinic.
Penalty na, penalty.
Penalty na kay Lag.
Penalty na pareho.
Hindi. Dinosaur, 3 pa.
$56.50. Okay, 6 lang yan. Second shot clock. Here comes Jason Lingling. Oh, nice steal. Outrage to the basket. 56.
Iwas!
Bumaba na sa 4 ang Kalamangan. Crossover by Neil. And sayang. Stop the clock.
47. Foul 47.
47.
Graduate.
Okay, that's the 15th foul of 47. Graduate Kevin Evangelista. And warning for penalty, Dinosaur. First attempt. Wow. Okay, saan ang attempt?
Wala.
Na-rebound ni Camote. Here comes Camote.
Ang pangit ng pangalan niya, Kamote.
Sabihin mo na lang, huwag sinulit lang.
Eugene to Pandilio to PJ. Attempt for 3. Wala. And rebound by Camote. Here comes Young. Wow. Ang galing ng ball handling ni. And Biam sa baseline. Okay, last 4 minutes, 52-56. PJ. And wala, tinira ni Gerald. Here comes Neil Tekin. Fake. Jerome sa baseline. Wala. Okay, fresh 14 seconds shot clock. Okay, down to 7, 6, 3, 2. Reset. Okay, good. Pass break to Pandilio. Timeout. Clinic. Dalawa na lang.
Kaya yung nag-check lock dun eh. Hindi man yung mamayaring eh.
Tama yung
Tumama yun.
Oo nga, 14 lang siya nun. Pag na...
14 lang, hindi 23.
Pag na rin 14 lang.
Tumama. Nasa loob na pati ng 14.
Pag 14, same 14.
Oh, na-rebound niya ulit, 14 lang. Pag nag-change possession, 24. Pero kung na-rebound niya lang, 14 lang.
Yeah, 14. Sakto, tama yan. Ready?
Okay, back to the ball game.
Walang ganun, walang
Okay, what exciting game. 54-52. Bumaba na lang sa dalawa. Okay, inbound White. 3 minutes. Neil Tekin sa base. Or sa gilid. Jason Liglig. Nakita si Biam. Back to Tiong for 3. Yes! 3 points! Eugene. This time. Okay, air ball.
Jason! Tutok mo!
Gusto ko pressure sa mga team na to eh.
Jason Lingling, okay. To Neil Tekin. Jerome, the base. And there's a foul. Stop the ball. Okay, both teams in penalty.
Greg, may timeout kayo ba? Dalawa.
Dalawa timeout.
Okay, first attempt. Sayang. Again, not rebound, no black. Kamote got the ball to Eugene. Panlilio, back to Eugene. PJ. Eugene for 2. Ah, there's a foul. Stop. Timeout. Okay, both teams in penalty.
And
Timeout. For Compound Dinosaur.
Pre, take foul daw yan, pre. Take foul.
Ay, hindi foul yan?
Normal foul.
Es-
Normal lang daw. Penalty sila, penalty. 2 shots. Penalty, 2 shots. 2 shots.
Okay, both teams are in penalty.
Pero hindi pwede. Sino tira? Kasi rebound, maglalakad tayo. Talo tayo dun. Oo. Sige, puparin natin yung pressure para mas magaan sa kuha ng bola. Sige. Okay, pag wala, penalty ang kalaban tayo.
Men, sino ano titira?
Yung board natin walang nag-solve eh.
Ayan, yun sa ilalim.
Okay, first attempt. Good. 60-54. Second attempt, yes. 2 minutes, last 2 minutes na. Panlilio. Edwin, libre sa gitna. 3 points. Na-rebound ni Winston.
Points lang, 5 points.
Okay, 5 points, ball game. Neil got the ball to Biam. Nice steal. Ambre for 3. Okay, 15 second shot clock. Here comes Sean, the court general of the clinic. 8 second shot clock, steal by Winston. Here comes the black team. Ambre for 2. Yes. Okay, 51 seconds. Starting ball game. Jason Lingling. 10 second shot clock. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Biam for 2. Clinic.
Ayun yun. Yung kanina, yung foul.
Yeah, both teams are in penalty.
Pares, penalty ha.
Okay, 1 point ball game.
Basta, decisionan nyo lang tayo kuya. Pwede na sa labas magkano?
Pre, may isa pang timeout, di ba?
Decisionan na lang pagka nagpunta.
Okay, this is very crucial.
Buwan tayo magsa.
Sa Facebook.
Hindi ako ganun ka-healthy.
Okay, back to the ball game. It's white ball. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari dito. 30 seconds. Advance daw, advance.
Pre, advance na, advance. Pre, saan ka mag-inbound doon o dito daw? 24 seconds yun yan. Saan tayo? No, advance.
No, guys, no.
No, it was like a 24-second shot clock. All right, let's start the time. Tingnan natin ang depensa. 14 seconds shot clock. Chong! Ay! Nabitawan! Time out? Rep?
Time out. May isa pa kami.
Last time out.
Okay, last time out. Okay, hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Bukan naman. Ang likod niyan, ako, pinapahirapan mo yung mag-i-edit eh.
Okay, ikaw naman mag-i-edit yan eh. Yan ang ating mga dedicated na admin.
Wala na yun. Alis di.
No foul. Communicate sa baba kaya.
12 seconds. 12 seconds. 12.2.
Ilagay yung receiver nila. Kayo magtatanggap bola pag i-penetrate.
Okay, dito sanay ang Kapampangan Dinosaurs sa ganitong crucial game. Alright, let's back to the ball game.
Isa defense. Win.
Let's go.
Come on, boys.
Alright. Honestly, both teams are in the penalty. Okay, inbound ni Gerald. Okay, what's the time, huh? Hello. Ball in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Eugene, muntik na naman ah.
Munti ka na naman, pumasok.
Bay, kung pasok yun, patalo kami, di ba? Oo. Pasok yun.
Wala pa yung pass eh.
Mali yung ano pala ito, announce ito.
Hindi, may point seconds eh. May point seconds eh.
Okay, good game. Okay, that's a good game. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, galing.
Alright. Okay, win or lose, panalo lahat.
Nice
Nice.
game.
Nice game. Okay, sino ang best player natin?
Nice game.
Munti ka na naman, no?
Eugene!
Pasok pa yun.
Oo, pasok yun. Sino ang ano mo, tol?
Best player.
Hindi ko naman alam.
Ayan siya.
Una na kami mga boss.
Ah, sige, tol. Benji, I'll forward it, Thank you.
Best player is...
Paano mo nila?
Okay, we'd like to call Neil Takin, our best player of the night.
18 points.
80 points. Grabe talaga ang lakas ni Neil.
Wala kasi nila.